welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to give you the customer care number of DSTV Mozambique. Alright, so in case you're having any problem on your DSTV decoder, or you are to activate a new decoder and you like to contact them for help, the number will be on your screen, but for you to check the current active number, they can change it from time to time. So all you got to do is to pick up your DSTV remote and press on the blue logo, which is the DSTV logo on it. It's going to take you to the menu. Use the arrow left and right keys to look for help. When you find help, you come to the first option, press OK on it, and come to the third option, which is the call option over here, and then scroll down to find the Mozambique customer care number. It's going to be on your screen as well. So you scroll down through the list. Alright, so there we have it. It begins with +2 5821 220 217 or 18. Alright, so that's it. If you want to call them, you need to have enough airtime before trying to call them. They're going to deduct as a normal calling rate, so just be mindful of that. So that's it. If you find this video helpful and you're new here, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more. Thanks for watching.